everyone, today I am going to continue with the recombinant DNA technology. So in the last video I have talked about what is a recombinant DNA and how a recombinant DNA can be formed. So I have discussed about a simple method by which a recombinant DNA can be formed, but there are various methods by which this can be done. So as I have discussed in the last video, that DNA from two different sources are combined to form a recombinant DNA. So I have mentioned about the cutting of DNA from the source and joining of the two DNA fragments. This process, this cutting and joining reaction, this is definitely a chemical reaction. Cutting of DNA and joining is a chemical reaction. This must be carried out by some proteins, and these proteins are called enzymes. So these enzymes are also called biological catalysts. So these biological catalysts assist the cutting and joining reactions. These enzymes are responsible for cutting of the DNA from the source and joining of these DNA fragments to form a recombinant DNA. So DNA from a source is cut and the two DNA fragments are joined to form a recombinant DNA. So this is basically the concept. The concept is very much clear, I guess. So this method is carried out by some proteins. So let's look what are the different types of proteins. What are the different types of proteins that are involved in this recombinant DNA technology? The most important enzyme is the restriction endonuclease. So the term endonuclease, the term nuclease means, nuclease is the name given to the enzymes that cut or degrades nucleic acids. So nucleic acid degrading enzymes are called nuclease, and endonuclease means, endo means interior. So these nucleases acts on the DNA from the interior. So they cut the DNA in interior position. That is why they are called endonuclease. So suppose this is a DNA. So this endonuclease will cut the DNA in the inside positions. They will not cut at the end of the DNA. They will cut in interior positions. That is why they are called endonuclease. And restriction means, why they are called restriction endonuclease? Restriction because the region where they will act is restricted. They do not cut all the sequences. They are specific for some particular sequence. So this restriction endonuclease act upon only specific sequences. So only if the specific sequence of the restriction enzyme is present in the DNA, then only the nuclease will act. Suppose this restriction endonuclease is specific for a sequence like this. This is the specific sequence that will be cut by the restriction endonuclease. So if this segment is not present in a DNA, then that DNA cannot be cut by the restriction endonuclease. The DNA will only be cut if this sequence is present in the DNA. So DNA containing this sequence will be cut by the restriction endonuclease. So that is why, due to the specificity of the nuclease, they are called restriction. These endonucleases are restricted to some particular sequences. That is why they are called restriction endonuclease. And also, it need to be mentioned that these restriction endonucleases are actually present in bacteria. Restriction endonucleases are the nuclease of bacteria. They are not present in humans. Restriction endonuclease present inside the bacteria prevents infection caused by a phage virus. So that is why also it is called a restriction endonuclease, because this endonuclease restricts the infection caused by the phage virus. So these nucleases are called restriction endonucleases because of two reasons. The first is, these endonucleases are present in bacteria and they are responsible for the prevention of infection caused by a phage virus. This is the first reason, and the second reason is that the endonucleases acts only on specific sequences. Their action is restricted to only some particular sequences. That is why they are also called restriction endonuclease. So these are the two reasons why these nucleases are called restriction endonucleases. So these restriction endonucleases from the bacteria are actually involved in recombinant DNA technology.